With this syrup, it regulates the pressure, cleans your veins, removes a headache and eliminates anxiety. We are always in search of health tips that we can offer you, with which allopathic medicines can be avoided as much as possible. So on this occasion we recommend and teach you how to prepare a syrup that will serve you to fight more than 21 diseases. By combining these ingredients with powerful natural antibiotics, you will obtain a preparation that will help lower cholesterol levels in the blood, clean blocked veins and blocked with fat, regulate blood pressure, so palpitations, headaches, chronic fatigue and anxiety will gradually decrease. Take on an empty stomach 10 drops diluted in water for 15 days. Garlic, honey, lemon and ginger will increase the defenses of those who consume it, facilitate digestion and eliminate constipation. The intestinal gases will disappear. Take 15 drops in a glass of water at night before bed for 1 week. People who are overweight, taking 10 drops of this preparation before each food, will allow your body to detoxify and increase metabolism, which will promote weight loss and the removal of retained fluids. If your problem is the annoying hemorrhoids, take this syrup and the inflammation will cease. Take 5 drops of syrup overnight for a month. For those suffering from arthritis, bone pain, joints, backaches, knees, hands, etc., we invite you to prepare this natural remedy so that these inflammations will disappear and thus the pains will diminish. The mode of use in this case will be 5 drops of the syrup 3 times a day. Ingredients: 1/4 pure honey, 10 lemons, just the juice, 10 garlic cloves without shell, 5 centimeters of fresh ginger in chunks. Preparation: put honey bath. Honey, when this hot, empty the garlic, ginger and lemon juice and boil for 2 minutes. Let cool and place in a glass jar with lid. Save in refrigeration where it will have an expiration of 4 months. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.